Welcome to your Paperbell website. When you sign up for Paperbell, we'll automatically create a beautiful website like this one to showcase yourself as a coach and your coaching offerings. On this page, there's an area all about you. So you can add a profile pic or a logo. You can add a main image or embed a video here. Underneath About, there's space for a bio, info about you, your approach to coaching, any credentials that you have. Below that are your packages. So these are the coaching offerings that you are currently offering via Paperbell, including your discovery call right here. There's a space for client testimonials, for frequently asked questions, if you want to address any concerns ahead of folks signing up, a Let's Connect area, which includes your social media links, and a mailing list sign up area where people can submit their email addresses to keep updated on everything you offer as a coach. So I'm going to show you how to set this up inside of a Paperbell account. At the top menu, just click Website Editor, and you're taken to a place where you can edit your homepage and all of the package landing pages. Over here with these blue icons, you can toggle between the desktop view and the mobile view just to check how everything looks. And underneath branding, here is where you can customize the look and feel of your Paperbell website. We have a few different themes for you to pick from. And if you change these, you'll see the colors change and the font. Underneath colors, you can change the primary color, which shows up on these buttons. You just click into this box and pick your preferred color, or you can enter the RGB, HSL, or hex value for a specific branding color. You can change the background color, which is what shows up behind the About area or up top. And you can pick a font from 7 pre-selected web-safe fonts. Next up on profile, you can edit the details at the top of the page. By default, we'll add the name you entered when you signed up for your Paperbell account, but you could replace this with your business name. Tagline, that's any kind of headline that you use to promote yourself or your business. If you use your personal name under name, you could add your business name in tagline, or vice versa. About, if you open this up, you have an area to copy and paste text or type it up, as well as a bunch of different text formatting options, including the ability to embed a video in here. Profile pic, again, we'll use the profile pic that you uploaded to your Paperbell account. But if you click this add button, you can replace that. You could use a picture of yourself, your coaching business logo, anything you want to appear in this circle image right here. Main image, here you can choose between an image and a video. And if you want to use a video, you can just copy the URL for something you uploaded to YouTube and paste it into here. Underneath content, here is where you can reorder your packages on your website. So if you click the reorder button, you can drag and drop these into whatever order you would like to see them under. I save that, you see the packages moved around there. Also, you have an area to add testimonials. So if you click add, you can add the content, which would be the testimonial itself, and then the name of the client. Here's how that appears on the page. There's the testimonial I just added. FAQs. Similarly, if you click add, you can type in the question and its answer here. And on the page itself, you'll see the questions, and the client will click the plus icons to pop out and read the answer. Terms and conditions. If you enter text in here, it will appear at the bottom of the page, to the bottom right where it says James Paperbell's terms. Clicking on that will take the clients to a page which shows those terms and conditions. If you have social media links turned on, like I do, you will see the Let's Connect banner, plus the icons of any of the social media platforms that I've entered my link to. So I'm showing my LinkedIn, my Instagram, and my Twitter. At the bottom, you have a few options. You can turn on a promoted package, which will add a banner right here, and you can use that to promote a package of your choosing. And you can turn on the mailing list area, which allows you to edit the heading and the body copy around this email box where folks enter their address in order to get updates from yourself. Finally, under settings is where you can edit the checkout URL or your Paperbell link. Mine's set to paperbell.me/James-Paperbell. I can change this to any combination of letters, numbers, and hyphens that I want. And if I click save, I'll see whether it's available. If it's available and valid, I'll have a nice link to send people to get them to my Paperbell website.